Yo. Yo.
Yo.
So here's a box of the Dayan GuHong Pro M. Yeah, let's unbox it. You can take this off with the scissors. Never mind. Okay. So much plastic. Alright, here's the box. I already showed you it. So you're supposed to take it out like this, I think. Okay, it's magnetic. Wow. Crazy innovation. Alright. Here's the pamphlet for the cube. It's in Chinese. I can't read Chinese, so here's the cube adjustment system. Also in Chinese. Oh, English too. Here's the cube. It looks really nice. And the most exciting part is the little thing here. Alright. Oh, yo. I've heard that this cube is really fast. So, let me try. Yo, it feels so nice. There's lube like outside of the cube, so it feels kind of weird. It glides really nicely. Really nice.
In this video, I put together 5 of my best solves with the GuHong Pro M. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
The Dayan GuHong Pro M is the best cube I've ever tried, and here's why. Let's start with what you get in the box. It's simple, the cube itself, a pamphlet on how to solve it, and a small accessories box. There's no extra tools or crazy crap, and honestly, that's really all you need. This cube is stickerless with white internals. It looks super clean. The edges do feel kinda sharp when you touch them, but that's not really a problem. Actually, it's an advantage. The sharp edges gives the cube a solid, precise feel. Another good thing is that it's not blocky at all. In fact, the corner cutting is so good that it feels really open and free. It honestly reminds me of a Moyu cube, but with its own unique feel. The performance on this cube is also really good. Right out of the box, it was fast, smooth, and super controllable. I didn't even have to set it up. That's how good it is. The magnets are really light. They're so light that you barely even feel them during fast solves. I actually got a 14-second solve on this cube and averaged around 18 to 19 seconds in my first session. And the thing is, I wasn't even trying that hard. It's quiet, soft, and has a kind of gentle clacky sound. It's not too loud though, not too hollow, just smooth. It also feels good in the hands. Pause. It's fast but never out of control. Compared to the V5, the difference is huge. In my my opinion, I feel like the V5 feels cheaper and blockier. I know, right? Surprising. It also corner twists way more easily for some reason. I guess it's because of the build. You know how the RS3 MV5 has like this rounded edges? That's probably the reason why it corner twists so much. The V5 does have more customization options, but it actually got worse when I adjusted it. The GuHong Pro just feels better built, and it performs way better out of the box. And compared to the GAN 356M and ME, this thing still wins. First of all, it's way cheaper. It also doesn't tire out your hands like crazy, and it's just smoother overall. The ME has the strongest magnets on earth, and they wear you down. The GuHong Pro, it glides. I have to tell you right now, the GuHong Pro M is just built different. It just doesn't make sense that a cube that's $17 can be better than one that's $25. It's basically better than a cube that's twice as much. So, should you buy this cube? If you want a cube that's cheap, fast, controllable, and doesn't wear out your hands like some GAN cubes do, then hell yes. Get this cube as soon as possible. ASAP. ASAP. My bad. It's only $17 and easily feels like it should cost way more. So if you're tired of having a Rubik's Cube brand that turns like poop, then buy this one. For me, the Dayan GuHong Pro M is already my main. It has everything I want in a cube. It's simple, clean, and performs like crazy. Let me know what cube you're using right now, or if you're just thinking about picking this one up. That's basically it. Bye. Thanks a lot for watching. I normally never make videos like this, so tell me if I should make more. And seriously, thank you for all the support lately. 2,600 subscribers is huge.